Hey everyone, welcome to our new episode of User Version plugin. In this episode, I'll show you how to enable reCAPTCHA on login form and registration form. So before you get started, you will need to search for the user version from your WordPress dashboard. You will see the plugin user version by Pick Plugins. You need to install and activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you will see the plugin and user version. So we are under the user version dashboard. So this plugin is super useful for email verification, magic login, OTP login, and login attempt, spam protection, and reCAPTCHA. So we are not discussing any other feature. Let's focus on reCAPTCHA. You will see the options, the reCAPTCHA options under the reCAPTCHA tab. You can manage your reCAPTCHA, create new CAPTCHA link here, and you can choose the reCAPTCHA version. You will need to register your domain with Google reCAPTCHA. So once you are registered with your domain, you will get the site key and secret key. Simply copy paste secret key from there and simply reCAPTCHA on default login page set to yes, and registration page and lost password page set to yes. You will see the reCAPTCHA into registration form and login form. So let's try with user login without checking the reCAPTCHA. And you see the reCAPTCHA is not resolved error. So let's try with reCAPTCHA set. And you see the verified and user is logged in. So this way you can enable reCAPTCHA for login form and registration form. This is super useful, and also you can enable for lost password and comment forms and WooCommerce login form, registration form, and WooCommerce lost password form. So I hope you will love this. Thank you so much.